Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Synergy Hand Paddle. This is the most popular and reliable swim paddle in the market. The Synergy hand paddles are created to work in as natural a way as possible. The holes in the paddles are such that strokes feel very natural and there isn't too much drag in the water. Beyond improving your swimming efficiency, they also find use in guiding a kayak or other small boat on the water. Primarily, however, they're meant to help you build your upper body strength and make better your strokes. They're available in 3 sizes of small, medium and large each with a great fit for the hands. You also get to adjust the wrist and fingertips to attain the right fit for your hands. Their adaptability to various swimming strokes is also a great addition to the features. Our second best swim paddles is Contour Training Hand Swim Paddles. A first look at these hand paddles reminds you of flip-flops as they're designed with 2 straps meeting in the center with a loop for a finger. The design is focused on producing the most efficient and balanced stroke with a balance of force on either side of the palm. The unique alignment of straps makes them fit palms of different sizes without the need to get paddles of different sizes. They also feature a series of perforations on the main surface to allow water to flow through it and thus provide a natural feel for the swimmer. They're also contoured to reduce the drag of water on the hands while increasing the surface area of the palm. This aspect increases the force you're able to generate with normal strokes. The swim hand paddles are made of PC material. They are lightweight, does not impose an additional burden on swimming. They are durable and not easy to bend, feel smooth. Third choice in our list is Finnis Freestyler Paddles. The Freestyler is designed in such a way that it encourages a longer stroke and proper hand entry. Because there are no wrist straps, a poor hand entry will leave the paddle twisted on your hand. The shape of the paddle also pushes you to really reach at the beginning of your stroke, extending distance per stroke. The Freestyler paddles are a great beginner hand paddle for newer swimmers who are more focused on fine-tuning their technique and learning the most efficient ways to move through the water. Also, because the paddles don't have a frisbee amount of surface area, they are easier on your shoulders and elbows compared to some of the bigger, more strength-oriented pool paddles on the market. Number 4 in our side is Speedo Unisex Swim Training Contour Paddles. This set of paddles is a great overall everyday training paddle used by beginner and elite swimmers. The Power Paddle Plus has uniquely crafted edges to help push you through the water with the perfect amount of catch. The holes allow water to pass through, which gives you full control over your pull. There are also multiple placement options for straps. Beginner swimmers will use both the wrist and finger strap. We find it is best to use your middle finger only. Some swimmers prefer the middle and ring or even all fingers, that is minus the thumb. It is your choice. Advanced swimmers with proper technique can remove the wrist strap. Durability is an important factor in purchasing the best paddle. These are made with the latest technology and materials that are proven to last. Last in our top 5 best swim paddles list is Finnis Agility Strapless Swim Training Paddles. It features a small hole on the side for the thumb to go through. This makes it easy to steady the pull as you swim since the hand is in total control of the paddle as you swim. Strapless, designed to help you apply positive pressure throughout your stroke. It can also be used with any type of swimming stroke, be it butterfly, breaststroke, backstroke or freestyle. Designed to provide swimmers with instant stroke feedback, even after just one lap. Will shift or fall off without proper stroke technique, teaching you to apply positive pressure throughout your stroke. Allows you to build muscle safely with a streamlined thumb hole for proper hand placement. Great for learn to swim programs and open water swimming so you won't lose them. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.